In this video, we'll be showing you how to face swap. Firstly, you're going to want to click on Input Image and click on Advanced. Then go to the Image Prompt tab and enable the Advanced option. Enable Face Swap. Change the stop at value to 0.97 and change the weight value to 0.85. Add your image here. I will be using Shrek. Now prompt the AI with a description of the image you would like to generate. Man on subway train. Then press Generate again. Now it will generate our image. This may take a few minutes for you. As you can see, the image on the left isn't exactly what we wanted, so we can adjust the weight value to make the result look more like Shrek. Let's try 0.9. Then press Generate again. Much better. If you found this helpful, please leave a like